Welcome to DefSciTech. Today we're diving into the world of military drones, sophisticated, unmanned aerial vehicles that have revolutionized modern warfare. These aren't backyard toys, they're essential tools for surveillance, intelligence, and precision strikes. Drones have shifted military strategy, making conflict more remote and precise. Pilots now operate these machines from thousands of miles away, conducting missions from safe, remote locations. This technology has sparked a new arms race, with nations vying for dominance in the skies. The United States pioneered drone warfare, but China and Turkey have rapidly closed the gap. China is now a major producer and exporter, offering advanced systems at competitive prices. Turkey, once an underdog, has become a formidable force with innovative, battle-proven designs. Today, we'll compare these three drone superpowers: America, China, and Turkey. We'll examine their signature platforms, capabilities, and philosophies. How do their drones differ in size, endurance, and firepower? This is more than a technical comparison. It's about the shifting balance of power in the 21st century. The sky is now a battleground for technological supremacy. Let's get started. This is the ultimate drone showdown. Subscribe to DefSciTech for more insights on the technology shaping our world. The future of warfare is here, and it's unmanned. Who leads the race, and what does it mean for global security? Let's break it down. Stay tuned as we put America, China, and Turkey head-to-head. The drone revolution is just beginning. Military drones are booming for three reasons: they're cheaper than crewed aircraft, they eliminate pilot risk, and they lower the political cost of military action. The US set the standard with Predator and Reaper drones, but strict export controls left a gap in the global market. China seized this opportunity, exporting CH-series drones to countries worldwide, becoming the top supplier for nations unable to buy from the US. China's open export policy turned it into the world's largest armed drone exporter. Meanwhile, Turkey, frustrated by import restrictions, built its own industry. The Bayraktar TB2, affordable and battle-tested, proved that innovation and real-world success could disrupt the market. Turkey's drones have been decisive in conflicts from Syria to Nagorno-Karabakh. Now, Turkey competes directly with the US and China for global influence. Each country's approach, America's technological edge, China's accessibility, and Turkey's innovation has shaped the modern drone landscape. The race is on, and the competition is fierce. These three nations now define the future of military drones. Let's see how their flagship models compare. The stakes have never been higher. Let's compare the workhorses: America's MQ-1 Predator, China's CH-4, and Turkey's Bayraktar TB2. The Predator set the standard: 24-hour endurance, live video, and precision strikes with Hellfire missiles. China's CH-4 closely mimics the Predator in design and mission, but is widely exported to countries across the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. The Bayraktar TB2 is smaller, lighter, and designed for affordability and ease of use. Despite its size, the TB2 has proven devastatingly effective in recent conflicts, destroying tanks and air defenses. The Predator is the retired pioneer, the CH-4 is China's export success, and the TB2 is the agile disruptor. Each reflects its nation's philosophy: American innovation, Chinese accessibility, Turkish adaptability. These drones are the first generation of truly successful armed UAVs. Their impact on the battlefield is undeniable. The global arms trade has been transformed. Let's break down their specs and see what sets them apart. The competition starts here. Which drone leads this crucial category? Let's find out. The MQ-1 Predator and China's CH-4 are similar in size, large wingspans and heavy payloads. The Bayraktar TB2 is much smaller and lighter, but still offers impressive endurance. Predator 24+ hours in the air, armed with Hellfire missiles. CH-4, up to 30 hours, 4 hardpoints, and a variety of Chinese munitions. TB2, 27 hours, 4 hardpoints, lighter smart munitions ideal for mobile targets. The Predator was used mainly by the US and close allies. The CH-4 and TB2 have been exported widely. China's open sales and Turkey's battlefield success have made their drones global favorites. Size and firepower matter, but so does accessibility. The drone market is now more competitive than ever. Now the heavyweights: America's MQ-9 Reaper, China's CH-5, and Turkey's Akinci. The MQ-9 Reaper is the gold standard. Large, fast, and able to carry over 1,700 kilograms of weapons. China's CH-5, inspired by the Reaper, boasts a 21-meter wingspan and claims up to 60 hours of endurance, but questions remain about its real-world performance. The Turkish Akinci is a twin-engine powerhouse, matching the Reaper in size and payload, and featuring advanced sensors like AESA radar. The Akinci can fly at 40,000 feet, carry 1,500 kilograms, and perform roles usually reserved for fighter jets. These drones represent the cutting edge of turboprop UAVs. The Reaper is battle-proven, the CH-5 is China's ambitious challenger, and the Akinci is Turkey's leap into high-tech warfare. Each platform pushes the limits of endurance, firepower, and versatility. The race for aerial dominance is heating up. Let's see how they perform in real missions. The stakes are higher than ever. Heavy drones like the MQ-9 Reaper, CH-5 and Akinci are designed for persistent hunter-killer missions. The Reaper excels with long endurance, precision strikes, and a proven combat record. The CH-5 offers similar capabilities at a lower cost, but its reliability and combat performance are less certain. The Akinci is more than a strike drone. It can perform electronic warfare, signals intelligence, and even air-to-air combat. Turkey's Akinci is already exported to countries like Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. The Reaper is used by the US and NATO allies, the CH-5 by China's partners. The Akinci is quickly gaining ground among regional powers. Performance varies. The Reaper is fastest, the CH-5 is slower, and the Akinci balances speed with advanced features. Each drone reflects its nation's strategic goals and export ambitions. The competition is shaping the future of aerial warfare. Next, the future jet-powered drones, America's MQ-20 Avenger, China's CH-6, and Turkey's Kizilelma. The Avenger is fast, stealthy, and can fly over 740 kilometers per h, with internal weapons bays for reduced radar signature. China's CH-6 is a twin-jet, high-endurance platform, prioritizing payload and range over stealth. The CH-6 is designed for long-range reconnaissance and strike, carrying a heavy arsenal on external pylons. Turkey's Kizilelma is the most ambitious, jet-powered, stealthy, and designed for carrier operations and supersonic speeds. Kizilelma aims to combine air-to-air combat, deep strike, and carrier capability in one platform. These drones represent a leap in speed, autonomy, and mission flexibility. The Avenger is America's loyal wingman. The CH-6 is China's strategic sensor and strike asset. Kizilelma is Turkey's bid to redefine unmanned air combat. The next generation of drones is here. Speed, stealth, and versatility are the new benchmarks. The race for air superiority is entering a new era. Let's see who leads the charge. The future of drones is defined by speed and stealth. The MQ-20 Avenger can keep pace with fighter jets and penetrate defended airspace undetected. China's CH-6 trades stealth for endurance and payload, ideal for patrolling vast regions and launching heavy strikes. Turkey's Kizilelma aims for supersonic flight and true stealth, targeting air-to-air combat and deep strike missions. Achieving supersonic, unmanned flight would be a game-changer. Each nation's approach reflects its priorities. US stealth, Chinese endurance, Turkish innovation. Combat testing and cost will determine which platform dominates. The Avenger is proven but pricey. The CH-6 is accessible but untested. Kizilelma is ambitious and rapidly evolving. The battlefield will decide the winner. The next leap in drone warfare is just ahead. In summary, America leads in technology and combat experience, but its drones are expensive and tightly controlled. China dominates the export market with affordable, widely available drones, though real-world performance is less transparent. Turkey is the disruptor, innovative, cost-effective, and battle-proven, rapidly scaling up to challenge the giants. Each nation's philosophy shapes its drones: US excellence, Chinese accessibility, Turkish agility. The future points to faster, stealthier, and more autonomous drones operating in coordinated swarms. Combat experience and cost will remain decisive. The US, China, and Turkey will keep pushing the boundaries, driving global innovation. The drone arms race is far from over. Thanks for watching this deep dive. Subscribe to Def SciTech for more on the technology shaping our world. The sky is the new frontier. The next chapter in drone warfare is being written now. Stay tuned for more. See you next time.